got the temporary power pole in, looking at the 2 grounding rods this came up from, and then we've got basically 12 plugs, 20 amps each. Should feed us no problem for the rest of the job. Fuse box, all weather, your same old meter right from the house. This is what's left of the length coming to your old strike, and the weather heads up there feeding right to the street. So when they end up doing this permanently over here, they're most likely gonna take all this out and run a new line.
It's the start of our second week here on Mark and Nikette's remodel. And right literally behind this ladder, my next big project to do is to punch in the front entry door that's going to go right here, eliminate the existing entry door. Okay, what I'm doing here now is I am taking off the shingles this is where the door is going to go into for the new entry. So what we're trying to do is save these shingles as much as possible so that we can use these up on the roof. Or in a couple of other spots where we might need some shingles to replace some of the doors and windows that we're moving in, replacing in the house. The new temporary door here and the new front entry. So what we're doing, this will stay here until the owners decide of what they want to do as far as having a new door. But we have 4'1" clear in this area, so it should be plenty wide enough for our new entry into the main living space in the kitchen. Okay, well, one of the biggest projects on this job is tearing out this chimney that goes literally from the roof all the way down to the basement. And today Rob's come over here, who is our roofer, and he will start demoing this, covering up the roof, and then we will continue this all the way down to the basement.
Hi, I'm Rob Piper. I'm a roofing specialist with Pacific Pros. I've been roofing for over 30 years now. And basically what I'm going to do here is I'm going to demo this chimney and repair this shake roof with CCA treated shakes, and go from there.
See here, we're now demoing the entire stairwell, and what's going to happen now is we're going to hit these cardboards here, and it's literally going to drop this whole landing. So once we get this open, we've literally opened up this whole thing, and we can start the methodical part of putting these stairs back together. I think you got it. That's how you demo. Right now, what I'm about to start to do is to start to build these stairs. I've got my marks right here that'll start to give me my heights for these stairs. They're going to work out to about 7 1/4 per rise. This is one of these things when you're doing this, there's a little bit of math involved in this, and for all my teachers out there that were trying to teach me geometry, I am so sorry because I do use it every day. It's Thursday of our second week. As you can see, we literally are at the halfway point of tearing out the chimney. So a lot of work right now. As you can see, we're creating quite a mess here. Okay, well, I'm about 5.5 hours into this chimney today. and I've now got it down to the subfloor. So what this now is giving us an amazing view from the front of the house to the back of the house. For the next section, it will go a lot quicker because I noticed what they did here is we don't have 4 bundles coming out here, we just have 1 for the bottom chase. So this should go a lot quicker, but believe me when I tell you, a lot of work to get these chimneys out. It's Friday morning of our second week, and we've had another incredibly productive week. Right now, what we've been working on for the last 3 days is this right here is knocking this chimney stack down. We're down to the last section right here, down here in the basement, and once we get this knocked out, then that's a massive part of this job taken care of. As you can see, this is going to come apart much quicker than the rest of it because I don't have all the stuff running up through of it. So I'm thinking about 2 or 3 hours and we should be completely done with this. Okay, after 3 long days, this is officially the last brick. Okay, to give you a little perspective of how much work that chimney stack was, this right here, along with this pile right here, is just from the basement ceiling down. So times that times 3 is how much brick we've actually hauled out of here for that chimney stack. So once again, a lot of work, but it's now allowed us to have a view looking clear through here through the other side of the house. So continue on with Tidy Friday and get everything wrapped up, and another great week here at Nikette and Mark.